legal father versus a biological father. What is the difference? Today, I just want to discuss the difference between a legal father and a biological father. Because sometimes, at least from many of the people that I've spoken with over the years, the lines get blurred. A legal father is an individual who may not be a biological father. He could be a biological father, but not necessarily so. Meaning, if let's just say a young lady gets pregnant, she's dealing with this guy, but she also had relations with another individual, and guy number one is not the contributor to the conception of the child, but guy number two is. Now, she may like number one better, and she may deem number one to be more responsible. So therefore, she may go along the route of utilizing number one for resources. So therefore, number one will most likely sign the birth certificate and move forward as if he believes he's the biological father. That's the normal circumstance of what happens. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that the woman intentionally meant to do so. There are a number of different circumstances, like the female could have just dealt with two guys at the same time, and then she, you know, unknowingly, not that she wasn't unknowing about the relationship she had. She could have been quite open about that, but she could have also expressed thought that the first guy was the actual father of the child, and could have been an error. And many times these guys will sign the acknowledgement of paternity form at the hospital, and then be deemed a legal father. Also, married men are also deemed the legal father by default. They don't have a say in the matter when you're dealing with a legal father. So it's very important. A legal father could be a biological father, but a legal father doesn't necessarily have to be the biological father as well. So just keep that in mind. So a biological father is the man who has contributed genetic material to the creation of the entity, which is the child. So is what the genetic material inherited, the child inherited from the father. So the difference between the two is the legal father is the individual the state recognizes as the responsible party for said child, whereas the biological father is not necessarily the legal father. He could just be the man who contributed to the creation of the child. And that is truly the difference between the two. I hope I didn't ramble too much. I hope what I explained here in this video is a bit coherent. If you found the information useful, I would appreciate it if you can just give us a thumbs up on the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel as I release more paternity related relationship issue kind of stuff, because I believe that many people out there, based on the questions out here in real time in the streets, people just don't have the information. So I decided to put up this information on this channel to help educate. Again, I am not a legal attorney. I am known as a DNA relationship testing consultant and a professional DNA sample collector. So once again, I want to thank you for taking a few moments for watching this video. Until next time, please take care.